Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing, show you how to assemble and do a small review on this BISSELL CrossWave. This is model number 1785A. Here's everything that comes in the box. Now the first thing we're going to do is we're going to attach this handle. There is an electrical connection in there, so make sure you line it up right. The handle, like this part's going to face to the back. This faces to the front, so you're simply going to line it up and you should hear that click. Now the next thing, this is the clean water tank. So here's where you're going to add the solution and water. You're first going to fill this up with water. If you're doing a small area, fill it up to the small line and then add solution from the small line to the formula. If you're doing a big one, first there, then there. I like that this sits like that. Now we have, this is the base unit. Now this is also, you're going to attach this right here. You can attach it. Here's an extra cleaning pad that goes right there. Now we have a filter. This is where the dirty water is going to go. After you're done, you're going to have to clean that. You're going to have to take this over the sink, empty it all out. You will have to clean this off, put it back. Again, there is a filter here. Now sometimes you do have to rinse this filter off. There's a little spot here. You can rinse this filter off, but you got to let it dry overnight. That's why they give you an extra one. And you're going to put it back, and it just simply rotates on there. And when you push it on, make sure it snaps into place. Yeah, make sure it's all the way down, and it should snap onto place. We can take this roller apart. There's a little purple thing here. Just lift up on that. There's the roller comes out. Sometimes you are going to have to clean this area. Take this over the sink. You can get this all nice and clean. Let's put it back in. There's a groove here, or like a gear. And then push the purple thing down so the purple thing is sticking straight up. Put the front notches in, and now we're going to push that down till it clicks. So let's put our water in. Okay, so the solution I'm going to be adding is for CrossWave and SpinWave. This is the hardwood floor solution. Again, I've got it filled up to the water line. Now I'm going to go from the water line to the formula line with formula. Then we simply just screw this on. You're going to turn it upside down and it's going to slide in right here. This is our station where this is where you're going to store it, but it also serves two purposes. This is where you're going to store it when you're not using it, but it also serves as where you're going to clean it. So this does not have a self-cleaning button. What you're going to do is you're going to put water in this base unit. There's a little max symbol, fill it up to the max, put the water in it. You have to kick it over like this a little bit, and now when you turn it on, it's going to suck up that clean water and clean that brush roller. Leave it on for about 20 seconds, stow it, and then you can turn it off. If you just turn it on like this, it's not going to clean the roller won't turn. So make sure you kick it over center like that. The brush roller will now turn and clean that brush roller and dry it, then take the dirty water out. It does have a nice carrying handle here. And again, this is corded. We are going to be plugging it in. Okay, so it has two cleaning modes. Up here, you've got a switch that says rug and hard floor. Basically, you're going to turn it on. You're going to press the hardwood floor button. That activates the roller and suction. You do have a trigger here. You have to get the solution to come out, you have to pull the trigger. The LED lights will come on to let you know solution is coming out. Now, the rug button, that's going to put down twice as much solution when you press the solution button. You can do a little area rug. It's not meant for like carpet or anything, but a small area rug that's not very tall, you can clean it. It does a decent job with that, but it's going to put down twice as much solution. Again, and it will only put solution down when you're pushing this trigger right here, and then we'll turn it on and off with those switches. So let's go see how it cleans on some hardwood floors. Seems to be doing a good job. I've got it on the rug setting, so it puts down twice as much solution, and I'm pulling the trigger. Now I can mop the rest of my floor. If I want to dry it, just let up on the trigger. Okay, so it did a really good job, and it got it pretty dry too. And again, it had 2 modes of operation, rug or hardwood floor. When you're on rug, it puts down twice as much solution when you press the trigger. Again, here's where the clean water goes. It's got a nice carrying handle. You can store the cord on here. And we can see the dirty water tank. It definitely it picked everything up. Okay, let's do the self-cleaning feature. If this tank is too full, you're gonna want to empty that out first. You're gonna have to put the water in the base station right here. There is a max line, so don't go above the max line. Right there. Then you're gonna set the unit on it. Now, I don't want to turn it on. First, I want to kick it over. And now when I turn it on, it's gonna spin the brush and suck up the water. I can spray a little solution if I want. Let it dry a little bit. Okay, turn it off. And now it's clean. Now we've got to take the dirty water tank out. Let's go empty it out and clean it out. Let's see how this got clean. Lift it up. Looks like it did a pretty good job on the brush roller. And it looks like it did a fairly good job with all the area here. Now I can always rinse this off myself, take it to the sink. Okay, so here I am at the sink. Lift this up. Again, dump this all out. Rinse this out so it doesn't stink. I can even get a brush in there and clean all this. I may have to rinse this off also. If I get the filter wet, I just have to let it dry overnight. Okay, so I've got it all cleaned up. Now they do recommend if your brush is kind of wet, leave that cover off. You can leave the tank off, kind of let it air dry first. Again, you can wrap the cord up. There's nice cord storage. Again, a nice handle for carrying it. It's not super heavy. It was a little on the loud side, but again, I thought it did a really good job and I thought it dried really well. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.